Here's a quick overview of the calendar view of the app. Over here you got months, and you can swipe to go between months. And then you also have your individual days. If there's an event on a particular day, you could click on that day and it would show you more details about that event. And then up here, this is our interface to add an event. You just fill out this information, click add, and it adds the event straight to the calendar. Now introducing Reinventing the Planner. When you first start the app, Merge View is the first thing you see. Merge View consolidates both tasks and events that you create into one interactive view. So the first thing we see here is a task. You can tell by the gray box and the fact that there's no date included in the description. The first task is bring coffee to Deborah, priority high. Since the priority of this task is high, it appears sooner in the list. Next is the Halloween party. The date is coming up pretty soon, so naturally it appears sooner in the list as well. It has useful information such as time, location, category, and priority. Speaking of, you can also sort by category and priority in this view. Next we have go to the post office. It appears later in the list because it's medium priority. After that we have go to the county fair, which is an event on the 31st, a couple days from now. Since the date's farther away, it appears later in the list. And then we have another task, do laundry, which has its description, category, priority, and this one's priority is low, so you can expect it to appear a lot later in the list than others. And then finally we have Tyler's birthday, November 4th, which is several days from now. You can expect it to appear later in the list because of its far in advance date. So, Merge View is great because it integrates both of the tasks that you put in as well as the events into one view where you can see what's most important to you at that moment. What matters most are those tasks that are high priority and those events that are coming up real close. So it's a real nice view where you can see that important information right when you want it, and you can just cycle through and see what's next on your list and go throughout your day. And then if you swipe to the right over here, you can see your task view.
So this is the task view. The task view has a couple properties. It shows you a list with the title of a task and in smaller text the description, as well as the priority. With multiple tasks, there are two options for sorting. You can sort by priority or sort by name. And then as well, each task has a different color based on what category it's placed in, which we can look at in the details. So this orange color is for category school, and as you can see, priority high also correlates to these 3 exclamation points, which we can sort by. This brown color represents social, and do laundry is in the category home, so it's this purple color. And those are just the 3 categories that we set. As well, you can add a task, so I can make something up, something I need to do. Description is, this is extremely important. It's this with no location, and then I'm just going to set it high because it's extremely important. Set it category home, sure. And so you can see that we can add tasks, but we can also delete tasks. So I could delete this task right here. It's a little slow. But ultimately, and the task is deleted.